The autopsy reports of the remaining 5 victims of the tragic Jiribam incident have revealed harrowing details of brutal injuries, multiple bullet wounds and severe trauma. Among the 6 hostages killed, Laishram Lamnanba, a 10-month-old infant, suffered a bullet injury to the left knee and had both eyeballs missing. The infant's autopsy also detailed multiple lacerations and blunt force injuries, including fractures to the skull and right shoulder. Lamnanba's aunt, Telem Toibi, 31 years of age, sustained 3 gunshot wounds to the chest and 1 to the abdomen. Her skull was crushed with a blunt object, causing severe fractures and loss of brain matter. Both of her forearms were severely damaged and her eyes were dislodged from their sockets. Toibi's 8-year-old daughter, Telem Tajamanbi Devi, also died from a fatal bullet wound. It is to be mentioned here that the autopsy report of 3 out of 6 Jiribam hostages killed by alleged Mar Kukizo militants were already released by the Silchar Medical College and Hospital SMCH in Assam. The autopsy reports also included details of 2 senior citizens killed during the attack on November 11 by suspected Kuki militants. Maibam Kesho Meitei, 72 years of age, suffered blunt trauma, burns and missing body parts, while Laishram Baran Meitei, 64 years of age, was found severely charred. The attack occurred at Borobekra police station in Jiribam, which housed a relief camp. The militants killed 2 civilians and engaged in a gunfight with CRPF personnel, who retaliated and neutralized 11 attackers. The bodies of the 6 people, including 3 children who were reportedly abducted by Kuki-Zo Mar militants, were found floating in the Barak River. The barbaric killings have reignited tensions in Manipur, with protests demanding justice for the victims and justice for the victims. The government has suspended internet services to prevent the spread of misinformation and maintain public order. In a recent development, authorities have re-registered the case with NIA and launched a fresh investigation into the Jiribam incident. Meanwhile, the public continues to call for accountability and justice for the atrocities committed. This tragic event marks another grim chapter in Manipur's ongoing conflict, emphasizing the urgent need for peace and reconciliation in the region.